Doing the most.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Oh, hey guys! I'm so glad. Welcome to my place. I thought you were gonna make it. You know, I'm in the middle of moving, and so when you first walk in, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and then you know you have the freezer, the fridge, and there's nothing really in there. Cabinets, my friend. More cabinets, oven. There's a few dishes in there, but it's cool. And then you have the lights, you know, a little fancy. You have some more lights, you know. And then, you know, you walk in here and then pull this open, washer and dryer. You know, you have some soap and everything. Then you come around, there's a trash can, there's a few chairs. And then I also have roommates in these rooms. Here is the living room. As you notice, this is where I record most of the time. TV, bike, and the roommate's fridge. And now you're walking into my room. So here I have a hat stand. You know, I have all these hats on here. I have my desk. You know, my wig, every girl has to have a wig. I have my lights, and it says, stars can't shine without darkness. I have my ODU bucket list, makeup bags, Ipsy, perfume, my lotion, deodorant, face moisturizer, you know, book bags and school supplies, a little organization over here. Then I have my bed, my cozy bed. Then I have drawers, my fridge. And then, you know, you have to have some candles with you sometimes because, you know, you need to feel relaxed. And this is almost gone, so Bath & Body Works, if you're watching this, you can go ahead and sponsor your girl. TV, I have my robe on this rack over here. And then I have my own private bathroom. And so when you walk in, I have my closet, you know. It's right here, and I have my clothes here. I would have like a hamper here for dirty clothes usually, and then you can come on in. You know, it's okay. We're friends, we're family, and I have some sheets here. So if I have to change my sheets or if I have company, it's already there, organized, nice and nice. Then I have my mirror. Can't see that, you know, you don't see there. Wow. My toilet, you know, have a trash can, I have a tub, and then I have this organizer right here for my shower, and, you know, razor soap, and a little tub so I can take my nice baths. Hey! Alright, so as you've seen the place, this is my humble abode, but you will not be seeing this anymore because I am moving. So when y'all see more videos, I'll be in my next place. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!